Welcome to day 5. Today we're going to be talking about capital gain tax. Now, you made a profit on a crypto trade, you sold a piece of land or cash out on your startup shares and all that. In 2026, not filing the tax on those capital gains will count as tax evasion, right? So now, what is capital gain tax? Capital gain tax actually applies when you make a profit from selling an asset. And these include shares on equity, shares or equity, vehicles, real estate, digital assets like crypto and all that. Now, capital gain tax is now governed under Chapter 8 of the Nigerian Tax Act, right? Which is actually replacing the old CGT. Now, who pays for CGT, which is capital gain tax? Companies that sell or transfer capital assets, individuals who profit from selling assets, investors, crypto traders, shareholders, property flipper, anyone earning gains from disposal of assets. So let's do a simple calculation. There is a land for 10 million naira. The original cost is 6 million naira. If you remove it, that's remaining 4 million naira, right? Legal fee for sales is 500,000 naira. So your net gain will be your 10 million naira minus 6 million plus the 500k, which is the legal fee. So what that means is that you have 3.5 million naira left, right? The tax rate is assumed to be 20% of the 3.5 million naira. So which will give you 700,000 naira due as your capital gain tax. Now for individual, applicable rate is within 7 to 25%, depending on your income bracket. Now, what are the things that really count as allowable deduction before you can calculate your capital gain tax? Number one is your cost of acquiring the asset, right? Your selling expenses like legal fee and some other costs. Now, improvement cost, maybe you need to repair the stuff before you are able to sell it or things like that. Is also what's called allowed. Capital gain tax was once like an afterthought. Now is a frontline focus in the new reform, especially with the rise of tech, crypto, digital commerce, and this new act closes the loopholes. Profited from any disposal of an asset, you need to prepare to file capital gain tax. Now tomorrow, we're going to be talking about tax incentives you did not know you could actually claim, especially for business, small businesses, exporters, and digital economy players. So if you are not following me, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, if you have not following me on Instagram and all that, please do so you don't miss out. I'll see you tomorrow.